What's going on? How did a giant swinging hammer appear in the middle of the road? Then, 3 sports cars arrive. The first one is a red sports car. Oh no, it got smashed by the hammer. The whole car is completely wrecked. What about the 2 cars behind? After seeing this, they panicked. They quickly turned the steering wheel. They actually managed to escape. There are still 2 cars here. Wow, this yellow car. Did it also dodge it? How lucky. Who else? Who else? The blue car was hit. Luckily, the roof is still intact. Hey, the first red sports car is still moving. That's amazing. The white car quickly drove around it. It's too dangerous here. Can't be tough. Let's go somewhere else. Oh, here it comes again. There are always some cars that don't believe in evil. There's a big truck carrying logs here. And a yellow sports car. Look at my luck, hey. The god of luck didn't favor him. He was hit even worse. He flew directly into the air 100 meters high. Wow, the big truck behind looked. Look at me, Unexpectedly, the goddess of luck didn't favor her either. The car was also hit hard. It flipped over. Logs scattered all over the ground. Another tow truck came, followed by a small tow truck. There's a blue pickup truck up ahead. Watch its performance. The red car followed closely behind. Wow, he witnessed the bus being hit. Actually there to move forward. Unfortunately evaded a blow. But the tow truck behind was finally so lucky. But it's okay. The tow truck can continue to move forward. The red car saw the situation. Quickly went around it, avoiding the attack radius of the giant flying hammer. I have to say, this is very clever.